It's been a really, really messed up week. Some days told you, some days better. La la la, la la la.
Adekku yang baik, yang model begini.
Anomali mengerikan yang hanya 3 kali.
Adekku yang baik, yang model begini. Anomali mengerikan yang hanya 3 kali.
Good evening everyone, thank you for watching this video. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Vivianuddin with I student ID of 2025-28-36. The economic issue that I took was about employment.
Damn!
The workforce who has the ability to work is willing to work but does not get a suitable job opportunity or is not working at all. Types 1. Open unemployment, not working, ready to work immediately and actively seeking work. 2. Hidden unemployment, working but unstaffed yet. 3. Structural unemployment, caused by a mismatch between skill and labor market needs. Impacts for individuals, poverty and stress for society, inequality and increases crime risks. For the economy, lower productivity and growth. Causes fast-growing working age population, skill mismatch with industry needs, economic slowdown, and digitalization replacing jobs.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
For digital skills training, increase job creation in today's creative economic technology, empower the informal sector, promoting entrepreneurship. To experts, Professor Faisal Basri said unemployment in Indonesia is more structural than cyclical. That means